Nope, Minnesota.
Minnesota?
Yeah, and there's that.
Are we flying over the mall?
Yeah, we're going to. And there's the steam tower, whatever it's called. Right now, we're flying over that bridge we always take to Mall of America. We go over that.
Oh, cool.
Right over right now.
Okay.
That's the bridge. That's my bag. Hold it, because it almost fell.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Minneapolis Int'l International Airport, where the local time is approximately 8:25 p.m. Also, please be aware that there is a 1-hour time change with Orlando. Also, please remain seated with your seatbelt security fastened and carry-in items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, please use caution when opening the overhead bins. Items tend to shift and slide. Also, at this moment, you're able to use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. Also, before leaving the aircraft, please look around your seat. For example, in your seat pocket or underneath the seat or in the overhead bins for any personal item that you have brought on board. Also, on behalf of Delta and our SkyShare, CodeShare partners, and especially KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, thank you that you have flown with us today, and also for any comments or praise on your wonderful New York, Minneapolis-based flight attendants and your Minneapolis-based flight crew. Please visit delta.com, and we hope to see you in the future. And also, if you make any connecting flight, please confirm your connecting gate inside the terminal. Thank you and have a very great day.